Hi, my name is Alex and I will be your virtual trainer today. To create balanced eyebrow shape, use eyebrows measuring techniques. Draw 3 diagonal lines, A, B and C. Line A will mark the beginning of the eyebrow. It is located in inner corner of the eye. Line A is usually 1.5 cm from the face center. Line B will mark highest point of the eyebrow. It is located on the outside of the eye pupil. Line B is usually 4.5 cm from the face center. Line C will mark the end of the eyebrow. It is located 6.5 cm from the face center. Line C you can also define by joining the outer corner of the eye with the side of the nose. Draw horizontal lines to make sure that the both eyebrows are on the same level. Remember, eyebrow tail cannot be lower than the eyebrow front.